Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Pots and Pans Set, a 14-piece kitchen collection designed to elevate your cooking experience. We found this product online and have added the link in the description, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, what exactly is the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Cookware Set? This set features a comprehensive range of pots and pans that cater to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. With a total of 14 pieces, it includes everything from fry pans and saucepans to a Dutch oven and a griddle, making it an excellent choice for those looking to stock their kitchens with versatile and durable cookware. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First and foremost is its durable construction. The hard anodized exterior is designed for longevity, ensuring that these pots and pans will stand the test of time in your kitchen. Additionally, the titanium non-stick coating provides a smooth surface for cooking, allowing food to slide off easily. This means you can cook with less oil and enjoy hassle-free cleanups. Another innovative feature is the Thermo-Spot technology. This unique heat indicator turns solid red when the pans are properly preheated, providing you with the confidence that your cookware is ready for action. It's a small detail, but it can make a significant difference in achieving perfect cooking results every time. Comfort and functionality are also at the forefront of this set's design. The riveted silicone handles are not only comfortable to grip but are also designed to stay cool while cooking, preventing any unnecessary burns. The vented tempered glass lids are another thoughtful touch, allowing you to monitor your cooking without losing heat and moisture. So, who is this cookware set suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys cooking, whether it's whipping up quick weeknight dinners or experimenting with new recipes on the weekends, this set is perfect for you. It's also a great choice for families who need reliable, high-quality cookware to prepare meals for loved ones. Even if you're just starting out in the kitchen, the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Set provides all the essential pieces you need to get started. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. The 8-inch and 10.25-inch fry pans are ideal for frying eggs or searing meats, while the larger 11.5-inch fry pan comes with a lid, perfect for simmering sauces or cooking larger portions. The various saucepans 1 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart are excellent for making soups, sauces, or boiling pasta. If you're a fan of baking or roasting, the 5-quart Dutch oven is perfect for slow-cooked meals or even baking bread. And let's not forget about the square griddle, which is fantastic for pancakes or grilled sandwiches. What's more, this cookware set can withstand oven temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, with the lids capable of handling up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility makes it suitable for all stovetops, except induction, and means you can safely transition from stovetop to oven, allowing for a seamless cooking experience. In conclusion, the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Pots and Pans Set is a reliable and versatile addition to any kitchen. With its durable construction, innovative features, and thoughtful design, it's sure to